Sunday morning and good morning. How una dey? I hope say na sleep well. So na say I carry my orange come out too. Na no say I don dey get weight. I carry my orange come out now and begin dey cut am. This one na my orange. I dey cut am o. Maybe small one. So this recipe wey I dey do so. Now if you wan burn your belle fat, it's so good. Orange I no dey peel the kanda. As una see am so, I don dey cut am. So I don bring my small pot come out. Okay, na don see the pot. Na very small pot. I don dey put the orange with the lime because if I say make I show when I dey cut the lime, the video go too come long. Okay so I don dey put the lime, put the tea. So I dey show una the tea. The name of this tea na English breakfast tea. So as I carry the tea too, I go put am like that. Come carry am dey go inside gas. So na the process now dey do. So this orange and lime, so I dey carry am now, dey go inside gas. I don put am for inside gas. I will go on the gas right now. So I don on the gas. So now don see am. Na inside gas e dey so. So e go stay for 15 minutes. So as I don put am for inside gas, so I come say make I talk about this English tea. So now they try to dey explain for now for here say this English tea e good well for stomach. So I don bring am come out for inside guys. Na can see am e dey boil. I don bring am, I come filter am with the filter wey they call tea filter. This filter na to comot all those small tea wey be like article. Na know say as I burn the tea, come be like say the tea is scatter. So I dey filter am to comot some kind thing wey I no like. So I go dey filter am. So this filter na special to filter tea. I guess if you dey do your tea like this to drink, you go buy this type of filter to filter all those teas wey you no like the seed and the see am so. So I don filter am. Why I put that plate so that e no go pour for inside my gas. The way e go dey pour for this. So I dey show una the tea. Na see how this tea be with the lime. Na be this one with the orange. Na be this. So if you take this one, you are good to go for the. So now I dey take the tea. Na the tea, na dey see say I dey drink. So the tea go hold my mouth like you say my mouth wan scatter. So don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like. So follow me for my YouTube channel for Onome John Lifestyle for this journey wey I dey do. Na month now. Without una, I no go finish where I dey go. Make una dey subscribe, dey comment. I don't say I dey raw because of una. Don't forget to share this video. One love, guys. So I dey tell una say I no fit show all my body because I no wear bruiser. I don't say I dey laugh. Make my nipple of my breast no show because if I no wear bruiser, I say my nipple dey stand. So that is why I no show my nipple. I no wear bruiser. Now bye till next time. Why I go blow come na place. My country people, don't forget to support me.